Good day friends. Today I will show you this video is totally upon the basics of ME engine. In the ME engine there are two MOPs are coming, MOP B and MOP B. It's a main operating panel A and main operating panel B. Today I will show you the basics of the MOP. Those who are the new who are joining ME engine, these are the basic of ME engine. There are two ways to operate the MOP. There is chief mode, one is operator mode. Chief mode password is Bardito, and there are a lot of things are coming. One is alarm in MOP, then alarm, that after engine, then auxiliary, then maintenance, then admin part. These are the main parts of the MOP. I will go one by one each thing in detail. Like if you go in alarm, there is an alarm list is coming. What all alarms coming on the main engine there, we can see it here. And there is, you can acknowledge the alarm, all alarm you can acknowledge it here. So all the alarms we can acknowledge at the bottom side. Any problem is come that like you touch any alarm like this, you can see what problem, like TECO A alarm is coming at here. So we can bottom side you can see time span, go to daytime date export. You can see all the alarms from the day which the engine is made, and you can find out the information. There is you can press information, you will come to know why the TECO B signal fail alarm is coming. So description is given there in the MOP, and the cause, what is the reason behind it, and effect, what will the effect. And on bottom side you go down, you can what all action you have to take. Everything is coming on the ME engine. That's an intelligent engine. He can tell you what is the problem with me, and all in same manner you can find easily know what is the problem with the engine. You can find out and you can rectify the problem. So see the what all action we have to take, all the actions are given in line. And if you go bottom side, exactly what you have to do in the engine, everything is given. So friends, here given, if you scroll up on the engine, you can find out why the alarm came, cause of the alarm, effect of the alarm, and what action you have to take to rectify this problem. So this is you can easily note to that. Now alarm list, event log, manual cutoff. If you cut off any off scan or cut off any alarm, there is this third one, you can see easily see that. And the channel list, each channel list you will got all alarms, all the channel list you will get in the alarm section. So friends, in alarm section there are alarm list first, the second one is event log, third is manual cutoff, fourth is channel list. The four things coming in the alarm of the MOP. Thank you friends.